Great Gadgets for Azure DevOps offers a variety of useful widgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Kanban Velocity or Throughput Widget displays the average amount of work a team completes over certain time periods. You can use this chart to determine the team's average work delivery pace, or throughput, based on past data, and see if your team improves over time. Knowing your team's velocity or throughput helps you better plan future work and estimate delivery dates. Now, let's see how this widget can be configured. All you have to do is configure the widget to use a board or a shared query that contains the work items worked by your team. The widget supports multiple calculation methods, such as work item count, story points, or any other numerical custom field. In this example, we will calculate the throughput by work item count for 2 week-long intervals, and configure the widget to display 5 intervals, and calculate the average velocity based on the last 3 intervals. And look, the throughput chart is now displayed on the dashboard. Completed shows the work done in each past time interval, and the average velocity line shows how the average velocity or throughput evolved over time. The widget can also display a data tab with a detailed report, which can be easily exported to CSV format. You can choose to calculate by custom done states, or by states that have been reached at least once. And you can configure the colors. Install Great Gadgets and discover many powerful time-saving widgets that bring your dashboards to life.